weather in my area.
Visit our website via weather.gov/IWX. The current time is 10:27 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Here are the 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time weather conditions. In Michigan City,
This weather radio is going crazy.
the temperature was 66 degrees, the dew point 48, and the relative humidity 52%. The wind was southeast at 3 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.8 inches and falling. Around the region, skies ranged from partly sunny to cloudy. 66 at Laporte, 66 at Valparaiso, 67 at South Bend, 66 at Goshen, and 69 at Benton Harbor. Grand Rapids reported 62, South Haven reported 66, Fort Wayne reported 67, Indianapolis reported 70, and Chicago reported 69.
I should get a weather alert while recording this.
And open Lake Booty observations. At Calumet Harbor,
Since it is
winds
Wednesday.
were east at 8 knots. Air temperature 66 degrees. At Michigan City, winds were southeast at 9 knots. Air temperature 66 degrees. Burns Harbor recorded winds from the southeast at 6 knots. At St. Joseph, winds were south at 2 knots. Air temperature 70 degrees. In open waters, at the South Lake Michigan buoy, winds were southeast at 4 knots. Waves were 0 feet. At 4 miles offshore of Bridgman, winds were east at 8 knots. Waves were 1 foot. Water temperature was 59 degrees. At Michigan City buoy, winds were southeast at 6 knots. Air temperature 64 degrees. Wave height 1 foot. Wave period 2 seconds. Regional weather synopsis. National Weather Service, Northern Indiana. Here is a regional view of the weather. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for Northern Indiana, Southwest Michigan, and Northwest Ohio. For tonight, no hazardous weather is expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Wednesday through Monday. No hazardous weather is expected at this time. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation is not
I
expected at
swear,
this
if I
time.
get this alert this time,
And the
and it's
nearshore
glitchy
marine
like
forecast
last time,
for the
I'm
following:
gonna freak out
Calumet
this
Harbor,
time.
Illinois to Gary, Indiana, Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana, and Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana. Rest of today, southeast wind 5 to 15 knots, becoming northeast 10 to 20 knots in the afternoon. A chance of showers late morning, then rain showers and a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Waves 1 to 3 feet building to 2 to 4 feet in the afternoon. Tonight, north wind 10 to 20 knots, becoming northwest 10 to 15 knots after midnight. Chance of showers and slight chance of thunderstorms in the evening. Waves 2 to 4 feet. Thursday, west wind 10 to 15 knots, becoming north in the afternoon. Mostly
I'm
sunny.
not sure if this is boring for you
Waves 1
guys.
to 3 feet. Thursday night, north wind 5 to 10 knots,
I'm just
becoming
working right
southwest by
now, so,
midnight.
I mean,
Slight chance of showers after
I don't know what
midnight.
else to do
Waves 1 foot
before
or
this
less.
goes off. I was watching
Now here
WWDC.
is the hazardous weather outlook for the
I'll keep
nearshore
this
waters
going
of
until...
southeastern Lake Michigan.
Oh, here we go, guys. It is glitching.
Under threat of severe weather on Wednesday, the test will be post-tested the first available.
Why is it glitching?
Reception of this broadcast and the morning alarm will vary at any given location. Variability normal distances from the transmitter will occur even though you are in good quality receiver, perfect condition. The tone alert will be activated. Selected watches and warnings affecting following counties in Indiana: Porter, LaPorte, St. Joseph, Elkhart, LaGrange, Quebec, Stark, Marshall, Kosciuszko, Noble, DeKalb, Whitley, Allen, Miami, Wabash, Huntington,
You
Adam,
are a screw up.
Blackford, and Lasky and Jay, and in Ohio. Defiance, Henry, Paulding, Van Wert, and in Michigan, Variant, Cass, St. Joseph, Branch, and Hillsdale.
Yes, I was putting on a wireless charger.
See our webpage at weather.gov/IWX and click on NOAA Weather Radio for local information. We now return to normal programming. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for northern Indiana, southwest Michigan, and northwest Ohio for today and tonight. Showers, along with thunderstorms, could produce locally heavy rain this afternoon and evening along with gusty winds. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. No hazardous weather is expected at this time. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation is not expected at this time. This is NOAA Weather Radio KJY62 in report. Visit our website via weather.gov/IWX.
No, it doesn't. Shut up.
The current time is 10:33 a.m. Central.
Alright, bye guys. It keeps repeating the test over and over again, and it's like it's like 6 hours after they tested. Also, I got a new Google Home from my barber. Yeah. Alright.